What's up, fishy friends? Welcome to Tim's School Fishing. Class is in session. I got a package, I got a parcel, I got a delivery, I got a new fixed blade knife. But before we take a look at this new fixed blade, I got my new sticker in from Mike Curtis. That's an awesome sticker. If you're not subscribed to Mike Curtis's channel, I'm going to link his channel down in the description. Go subscribe to his channel. My man has an awesome collection of case knives, and you're going to be glad you subscribed. Go subscribe to Mike Curtis. My stickers will be here next week. I've got a few of you guys' stickers. If you want to do a sticker swap, shoot me an email, timschooloffish@gmail.com. That email address is in the description. It's in the channel bio. I will pin it in a comment. If you want to do a sticker swap, mine will be here next week. Shoot me an email. Let's do that. That would be super cool. All right. So let's get this camera turned around. Take a look at this brand new fixed blade. All right. Let's open this bad boy up. See what we got. All right. It's in this nondescript white box here. Oh, nope. On the side here, it says Very Good Knife Company. Made in the USA. Tradition. That's the name of the knife. 80 CRV2. That's the type of carbon steel. Natural micarta. All right. All right, so this knife is made by Very Good Knife Company. I will link the website in the description. I will also pin it in a comment. Lifetime warranty. All Very Good knives are backed by our limited lifetime warranty. Visit verygoodknifeco.com/warranty or scan the QR code. I have read this lifetime warranty. It's a very good warranty. This guy backs his stuff. If you don't do anything stupid with the knife, obviously. Before we look at the knife, a little bit about this company and how I heard about this company. I was watching a video about a week ago, maybe a week and a half ago, from Georgia Adventurer. If you are not subscribed to Georgia Adventurer, I will link his channel in the description as well. Go subscribe to him. That's my guy, Randy. He has an Etsy store as well called EDC Leatherworks. He makes some awesome leather goods, leather knife slips, some leather field notebooks, all kinds of great stuff. Go check out his Etsy shop and support him. So I was watching one of his videos, and he works for the power company, and he has some linemen that work with him and under him, I believe. And those linemen that work on the power lines were looking for a lineman's knife, which are similar to that. It's kind of a hawkbill shaped knife, a little bit longer of a blade, fixed blade. For cutting and splicing large wires, basically. Those linemen that he works with found Very Good Knife Company. Very Good Knife Company makes special purpose lineman knives, and they also make other regular user fixed blade knives. So Randy from Georgia Adventurer ordered one of those, and I saw it, and I immediately fell in love with it. So I went to Very Good Knife Company, the website, and I checked them out. They also have a YouTube channel, which I will link down in the description if you guys want to go subscribe to that as well. On his YouTube channel, you can see him discussing the knives, showing some of the process of making the knives. This guy's name is Jacob. His last name is Asuit, Asuit, Asuit. I don't know how to pronounce it. If you see this video, Jacob, I am so sorry. He's a one-man operation. He's located in Georgia. You can see on the videos how he makes every single one of these knives by hand, but they are extremely affordable. So I ordered one immediately. I also asked my wife to get me one for my birthday, which is in a few weeks. So I love what he's doing. He's got about 14 different knife designs, something like that. Now, previously he was making all his knives in carbon steel, but now he has released most of them, if not all of them, in Nitro V stainless steel. The one that I got is called the Tradition, and it is, according to one of his videos that I watch, it's one of his best-selling models. So it comes with this Kydex sheath, which is molded to fit your particular knife. And here is the knife. Overall blade length is 3 3/4 inches, and we have a handle length of 4 inches, so 7 3/4 inches total, which I think is absolutely perfect for an everyday carry. That is right in my sweet spot for everyday carry. I like a knife between 7.5 and 8 inches in total length. And I like a handle length right around 4 inches. This is basically a NESMUK blade shape, which is kind of just a large bellied skinning knife, also used for cutting meat, slicing, just a general all-purpose knife. So you can see on the flat there, very good knife company. We've got a satin finish on there. Gorgeous finish. We've got natural micarta handle on here that has about a medium polish, full tang, nice thick blade stock, but it comes down to a super wicked sharp edge, very thin behind the edge. We've got a hollow grind on this. The fit and finish is exceptional here. There is no gapping whatsoever around the tang. The pins are perfectly flush on both sides. Fit and finish is just phenomenal, and that is so comfortable in the hand. I mean, that is phenomenal. That fits my hand perfectly. This blade kind of is a sway back, so perfect for a saber grip. Your thumb just fits into that natural thumb ramp on the back of the blade. Hammer grip. That thing is wicked sharp. Now this ADCR V2 steel holds a wicked edge. It will take a super sharp edge. It has pretty good edge retention. It's not difficult to sharpen, and it is super tough. Now this is a knife that I'm not afraid to use and put to hard use, because I know that with that nice thick blade stock, it can handle that use. And I know that with this steel, it's going to take an edge and sharpen right back up. Now it is carbon steel, which I love. Some people might be worried about their carbon steel rusting, but if you wipe it off when you're finished with it and take a little bit of CLP and just give your blade a light coating of CLP or mineral oil or any type of oil for that matter, just give it a light coating, wipe it off, and it is going to not rust on you. Now, if you're going to store it for a long period of time and you're not going to use it, I suggest using Renaissance wax. Just put a very light coating on it. A little bit of this goes a long way. Coat the entire thing, wipe it off before it dries, and you will be protected. Now, what I like about this knife is you get a knife that is handmade with quality materials. It even comes with a Kydex sheath that is molded specifically for your knife. This was $105 only. And you have a limited lifetime warranty with that. That is hard to beat, folks. There are makers out there that are charging 3 and 4 times as much for knives that are of equal quality or worse quality. So I am very happy with this. I am definitely going to use this. This knife will come in extremely handy. All right, so let's take a look at this sheath here. Wow. Look at that. Look at the retention on there. It's got that nice audible snap. Just a quick overview of my new fixed blade for Fixed Blade Friday. I think Jacob over there at Very Good Knife Company is making outstanding products. I am definitely going to order more of these. In fact, I will probably get most of these, if not all of these. And as I say, you can get it in carbon steel. He's also making them now in stainless steel. I believe the stainless steel ones are about $135. The carbon steel ones are anywhere between $85 and $115, something like that. And it comes with a Kydex sheath. These are the type of companies in the knife community that we should support. I own quite a few Chinese knives, and I don't have any problem buying Chinese knives, but at the same time, we should 100% support American companies like Very Good Knife Company. So, if you happen to see this video, Jacob, outstanding brother, outstanding knife here. I'm going to put this to good use. I like what you're doing over there. I'm looking forward to owning many more of your knives. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you giving me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I enjoy interacting with you guys in the comments. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Just click on my face right over there. That's it for this episode of Tim's School of Fish, boys and girls. Class dismissed.